Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm gonna show you how to connect headphones or earbuds in 3.5mm jack on your OPPO A6 Pro. So basically, first thing you'll need to know is that the OPPO A6 Pro doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you basically can't plug traditional headphones directly into the phone. But don't worry, there are still some options how to listen to your music. So first option is using a USB-C to 3.5mm audio adapter. Just plug it into the USB-C port at the bottom of your A6 Pro and then connect your wired headphones into the adapter. The second option is using the USB-C wired headphones. So basically you can also use a USB-C headphones which just plug directly into your OPPO A6 Pro charger with no adapter needed. And option 3, one of the most optimal options, using a wireless headphones. So as the OPPO A6 Pro works perfectly with Bluetooth headphones or earbuds, just get the pair of headphones with Bluetooth, go to settings on your device, open up Bluetooth and pair new device and just connect your headset. So basically that's it. That's how you can connect headphones onto your OPPO A6 Pro. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.